The red carpet was rolled out for VIPs and dignitaries, including the Minister of the People's Republic of China in the Republic of South Africa, at the announcement of the 160 million rand investment by the Yangtze Optics Africa Cable Company into their Dube Trade Port manufacturing facility in Durban.
So it's successful.
Reverend Musa Zondi, the KZN MEC for Economic Development, and Minister Yunus Hussein, the Acting Deputy Director of Invest SA in the Department of Trade and Industry, stressed the employment opportunities, skills transfer, and increased communication capacity this venture will bring to South Africa. The Yangtze Optics Africa Company established its Dube Trade Port plant with an initial investment of 160 million rands in 2016. The doubling of their initial investment to 360 million rands increases the capacity at the plant, solidifying Yangtze Optics Africa as the leading local manufacturer of fibre optic cabling on the African continent. This capital injection provides new employment opportunities and vital skills transfer of high-tech manufacturing methods. The growth of the Yangtze Optical Africa Company in Durban ensures that South Africa is geared up to build capacity and connect communities across South Africa, the African continent, and the world.